Hi, and welcome to another video on Vedic Math Techniques. In this series of videos, we talk about various shortcuts, tips and tricks to make your calculations faster. This is chapter 8 in the series. And in this video, we'll talk about the multiplication of two-digit numbers. Essentially how to do that faster. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Unacademy. It will help us and motivate us to make more such videos. I'm Ravi Handa, and I run this website called handakafunda.com. Now, before I go on and explain the technique which will make all these calculations faster, let's just see how you do it normally, or rather how most people normally do these calculations. I'm showing them to you to make you realize how faster and how efficient this new technique will be. Let's look at the old method first. To multiply 12 with 13, what you would typically do is first multiply with 3. So 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 1 is 3. Put a cross sign and then do the same thing with 1. 1 into 2 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, and get the answer as 156, which is correct, no doubt. But I have a shorter way of doing it, which I'll just explain. Let's look at 32 into 41 and do the same thing again. 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3. Put a cross sign, 4 into 2 is 8 and 4 into 3 is 12. Write down here, then add. So 2, 8 and 3 is 11. So 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. 1312 and 156 are two answers. And now let's look at the one which is the most complicated. Well, relatively the most complicated. 73 into 82. So 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 7 is 14. So I write down 146, put a cross sign. Now I multiply with 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So 4 and a carryover of 2. 8 into 7 is 56. 56 and 2 is 58. And then I add up the whole thing. What will I get? 6, 4 and 4 is 8. 8 and 1 is 9. And I write down 5, which gives me the answer of 5986. As you can see, this method has taken us quite some time. In the smaller ones, less time, but in slightly difficult calculation, it took a lot longer. Because the individual multiplications and then carry and then add, that takes time. Now here is the newer, faster, shorter method. Well, it isn't new actually, but for those of you who are hearing it for the first time, it is relatively new, if not nothing else. So let's check. So what you do in this particular technique is you multiply the last digits first. So 3 into 2 gives us 6. Then do a cross multiplication. So 3 into 1 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2. So I got 3 and 2. What is the sum? 5. So write down 5. 1 into 1 is 1 and 156. As you can see, this was a lot faster. Let's just try it again. And we got the correct answer. We got 156 here. We got 156 here. So the answer is correct and this is faster. Let's try the same thing here. 2 into 1 is 2. Do the cross. 3 into 1 is 3. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 carry over 1. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 1312. Again, a lot faster. Here is now in the third one is when you will realize the real difference. 2 into 3 is 6. So write down 6. 7 into 2, 14. 8 into 3, 24. 24 and 14, 38. So you write down 8 and you carry over 3. 8 into 7 is 56 plus 3 is 59 and you get 5986 in a lot easier and a lot faster fashion. And that is why I recommend that you use this technique whenever you have to multiply two-digit numbers. See, till now if you have seen the videos, you might have realized that they were applicable only in special cases. Like what will be the square if a number is close to 50, what will be the square if the number ends in 5. And they were applicable only in some very few special cases. Whereas this technique of multiplication of two-digit numbers, it is valid for any two-digit number into any other two-digit number. So this can reduce your calculation time in a lot of cases. So just get comfortable with it as soon as you can. And you know what is the fastest way to do it? Well, implement it yourself. Do it yourself. Nothing beats that. Once again, I'd like to wrap up this video here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like and share button. Thank you.